Hi guys, I'm WoodC2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a fantastic care package from Jerry Welch on YouTube. Thank you so much, my friend. He sent me a message the other week to say that he'd purchased a couple of American A790 padlocks, and he wanted to send me one because he knows I like collecting locks and American padlocks, because I've got a few that way. I'll actually show them after I've opened this package. So thank you so much, Jerry, my friend. It'll be a great addition. Let's have a go at getting this open. I've covered the front up so there's no addresses, etc. Don't want to cut into my fingers. Turn that round. Now that's a big package. For the big lock. That is huge. It says on there A790. That is a monster of a lock. Let's pop that to one side. Yes, a huge American lock. That is beautiful. You did say, Jerry, that might need to make a bit of room in my display cabinet. You're not wrong there, my friend. Amazing. Thank you so much, Jerry. And what I'm going to do now is show my other American locks and offer this one up beside a couple of the others. Don't think the camera's going to pick that one out. Let's just say the light hit it. Love the American locks. I think I picked this one. Lovely keychain on it. US set. Yeah, it says set US 26 2D. So that's that American lock. No sort of particular order in these. That's that one. And that's the Series 3600. Five 200. They are lovely locks. Series L50. This one I picked a bit ago to show pins. That's the 5300. These I like. It's a Series 7260. That is a big chunky thing. As you can see, it's a tubular American. Same as this one, but it's a long shackle. And up to the sort of newer ones, 1100. And this one is the 1105. So I just want to put a few of these next to this monster from Kind Jerry. That's bigger than that. Bigger than all the rest. Look at the size of that. That is absolutely huge. It really is. So I'll have to pop that one there in the centre. Not sure if the camera frame's going to get these in. Outstanding, Jerry. You are an absolute diamond, my friend. I'm not brilliant at picking American locks, but I'm going to have a really, really good play with this monster of a 790. So again, thank you so much, Jerry. You are an officer and a gentleman. No, it's not a lock picking video, guys, but if you are newbies to lock sport, why not come and visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Cheers again, Jerry. Absolute gent.